Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docentes DigitalesTV. In today's video, we're going to talk about 5 exercises to improve your English quickly. If you want to see faster progress in your speaking, listening, and overall language skills, these simple yet effective exercises will help you get there. Let's go over each exercise, how to do it, and why it works. Ready? Let's get started. Exercise number 1, Shadowing Practice. Shadowing is a technique where you listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say at the same time, like you're their shadow. Choose an audio clip or a YouTube video with subtitles, and try to speak along with the speaker. Start with short sentences and gradually move to longer dialogues. This exercise helps you improve your pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation, making you sound more natural. Just 5 to 10 minutes of shadowing practice a day can make a big difference. Exercise number 2, Describe what you see. Choose an object or scene around you and describe it out loud in English. For example, if you're in your room, say, I see a bed. The bed is next to the window. There is a blue pillow on the bed. This exercise helps you practice vocabulary and sentence structure, and it's great for thinking in English. The goal is to express your thoughts clearly without overthinking. You can also use this technique while walking outside, describing everything you see to yourself. Exercise number 3, Listen and Write, Dictation. Choose a short audio or video clip in English, and as you listen, try to write down exactly what you hear. This exercise, known as dictation, helps improve your listening skills, spelling, and attention to detail. After you finish, check your writing against the original transcript or subtitles. Notice any words or phrases you missed, and practice those until you get them right. Dictation is excellent for training your ear to pick up different sounds and accents. Exercise number 4, Record yourself speaking. Choose a topic, anything from introducing yourself to discussing your favorite hobby, and record yourself speaking about it for 1 to 2 minutes. Then, listen to the recording and pay attention to your pronunciation, grammar, and fluency. This exercise helps you become aware of your speaking habits and areas you can improve. Over time, you'll notice your confidence growing as you get used to speaking more fluently and clearly. Exercise number 5, Role-playing conversations. Create role-play scenarios where you practice different situations, such as ordering food at a restaurant, asking for directions, or having a job interview. You can do this with a language partner or by yourself. For example, pretend you're at a cafe and say, Hello, I'd like a cup of coffee, please, or could I have a menu, please? This exercise helps you practice practical phrases and vocabulary that you can use in real-life situations, making you feel more prepared and confident. Quick tips for getting the most out of these exercises: set a daily routine. Choose 1 or 2 exercises and practice them consistently. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day will lead to progress. Use a variety of resources. Use videos, podcasts, and language learning apps to keep your practice interesting and engaging. Track your progress. Keep a journal to record your experiences, challenges, and improvements. Reflecting on your progress will keep you motivated and focused. Be patient and persistent. Improvement takes time, so don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. Stay consistent and celebrate small wins. With these 5 exercises, you'll be able to improve your English quickly and effectively. Choose the exercises that work best for you, and practice them regularly. You'll notice more confidence, better pronunciation, and improved fluency in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV for more English learning tips and lessons. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing and happy learning!